first ever trivia with Logee's employees. It'll be about plant care questions and Logee's history. And now they're going to introduce themselves.
I'm Sophie, I'm the retail manager.
I'm Sophia, I'm an assistant grower.
I'm Riley, I'm a grower.
Alicia, retail associate.
Dan, website stuff.
Lizzie, accounting assistant.
Brooke, retail associate.
Jess, retail associate.
All right, question number 1. In what year was Logee's Greenhouses
1892.
founded? Oh. All right, Lizzie. On to the next round. How many greenhouses are open to the public?
6.
Dan. Yes, good. Keep squishing in. Which plant family includes indoor tropical leafy plants like monsteras and
Arrowheads.
I opened my mouth.
Who founded Logee's Greenhouses?
William Logee.
Oh my god, I don't know about that.
I thought I'd be better than this.
I didn't.
In botany, what is the term for a plant that has been created by crossing 2 different varieties?
Hybrid.
Sophie? Logee's has been featured in which famous home and lifestyle media?
Martha Stewart magazine.
Yes. What is the oldest greenhouse at Logee's dating back to 1892?
The lemon house.
Yeah. Oh, bye, Alicia. What type of business did William Logee originally
Flower
start?
business.
Goodbye, Dan.
I was going to say violets.
What is the scientific name for the edible fig plant?
Ficus. Carica.
She did get the full name. Okay. Bye, Sophie.
Bye.
What are the proper care instructions for succulents in terms of watering?
Let them dry and then soak them completely.
Yes.
I don't know why I didn't speak when I heard
A lot of
these
words.
What is the most dwarf variety of edible banana sold by Logee's?
Super
That's-
dwarf
Cavendish.
Yes, correct.
Little
What does the term propagation mean in horticulture?
to cut off something from a plant to make another plant.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically. Right?
Creating new plants from existing plants. There you go. What is the scientific name for the plant genus that includes passion flowers?
Passiflora.
Yeah.
Woo!
Bye, Jess.
Oh, sorry, Jess.
Sorry, Jess.
What disease are begonias prone to?
Powdery mildew.
Especially, yes,
Whoa.
powdery mildew. What is the common name for Strongyloidin macroboxes?
Jade
Bye bye. Which succulent sold by Logee's is known for its spiral corkscrew-shaped
Spiral
leaves?
cactus.
Spiral corkscrew-shaped leaves.
The frizzle sizzle.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Mm.
What type of light do orchids prefer?
Southern exposure.
Did you say
I
medium?
said medium.
Medium is
I said medium.
the most accurate. Indirect, yes. And east or west exposure.
Wrongo.
What is the scientific name for the plant commonly called angel's trumpet?
Romansia.
Yes.
Nice.
Bye, Lizzie. Okay, for round 4, everyone has to answer 2 questions correctly to advance. What unusual taste effect does the miracle berry have when it's
Sour
sweet.
I think Brooke got that out pretty quick. What do we think? She said sour sweet. She said sour sweet.
I think Brooke.
Okay, Brooke, you got 1 point. Ponderosa lemons are a hybrid of which 2 citrus
Citron
fruits?
and pomelo.
It said citron and a pomelo.
I think Sophie got
I
it.
think so.
The big house contains a multi-variety citrus tree. How many varieties are grafted on it?
6.
10. Name the 3 varieties of kumquat trees we sell.
Nagawa, Chimewa.
Sophie.
All right, Sophie.
I went.
That's my favorite one.
What common phenomenon happens to plants when they are brought back inside in the fall?
Losing their leaves.
Losing their leaves. Hey, Dan, goodbye.
You guys have any points? You've won.
Okay. Logee's features plants organized by hardiness zone. What does a hardiness zone indicate?
Temperature.
How can we plant it outside safely?
I think
I like
Sophia
that.
got that.
Sorry.
Yeah. Wait, 1 point, right? Okay. What is the term for growing a new plant by attaching a cutting from one plant?
Grafting.
I think it was Brooke by a millisecond. Okay. Bye, Brooke. What does variegated mean when describing a plant?
Lack of pigmentation.
There's no chlorophyll.
There we go, Riley. Yes. Okay. Yes, a
I like
pattern.
to say chlorophyll is a pigment.
But yes. There we go. The longhouse greenhouse maintains temperatures above what minimum?
40? 50? 60.
60.
we go.
Yeah, that's true.
For this round, everyone must answer 3 questions correctly to advance. What is the horticultural term for a plant that produces flowers throughout the year without...
Equatorial.
What did you say, Dan?
Everbloomer.
Equatorial.
Everbloomer is what we have written down, but that sounds like a more scientific answer, and I don't know what that means. Dan, you got the point. What is the specific USDA hardiness zone of Danielson,
6.
Connecticut? Yeah. What is the common name for Microsorum thailandicum?
Blue oil fern.
Which citrus variety sold by Logee's is a hybrid between a kumquat and a Meyer lemon?
Sweet lemon?
No.
Sunquat.
Sunquat. The big house allows temperatures to dip down to what
40.
minimum? Who was that? Sophia. Sophie. Plants that are described as indestructible can tolerate which specific growing conditions?
Dry.
Dryness.
Name 3 kinds of gesneriads.
Streptocarpus, African violet, Limitanthus.
Yep.
I think that was 3.
What does the botanical term rhizomatous mean?
Means it grows out from the side like this.
Yeah. Each have 1 point?
Yeah, one.
Okay. How is the Aglaonema pictum tricolor commonly referred to, and what makes its leaf pattern distinctive?
Camouflage pattern?
Yep.
Camouflage plant?
Camouflage pattern, yep. Which plant sold by Logee's is both carnivorous and native to the Carolinas?
Venus flytrap.
Yes. You're out? You're good?
Yeah.
Okay. Goodbye, Sophia.
I'm gonna go check.
What structural adaptation allows poyas to store water?
Succulent leaves.
Correct. Logee's is especially known for which genus of plant?
Begonias.
Yeah. What type of bloom does chenille plant produce, and what does it look like?
Catkins. And it's a long, fuzzy flower.
Yes. What is the common name of the Pilea peperomioids?
Chinese money plant.
What genus does the lipstick plant belong to?
Ashkenanthus.
You good, Dan? All right. What is the primary pollinator type for many night blooming angel's trumpet varieties?
Moths.
Yes. Bye-bye, Sophie. Final round of trivia with 2 contestants. We have Dan, who does website stuff, and Brooke, who's a retail associate. In order to win this round and all of trivia, you have to get 6 questions right, and each time you get a question right, you receive something physical. Let's do it. Rhizomatous and Rex begonias share a unique propagation ability that other groups don't have. What is it?
You can just put their leaves directly in the soil.
Yes. So Brooke gets a table. Dan, you don't get the table. Come on, Brooke. What is the common name for Morea carnegii?
Cherry leaf. plant.
Dan, you get a table. Why are pawpaw trees sold in pairs?
Because you need a male and a female to make fruit.
Yes, cross-pollination. Brooke, you get a saucer. What is caudiciform growth?
A fattened trunk.
Yes. Swollen stem or base used for water storage. Dan, you get a saucer.
Yes.
Which passion fruit variety we carry is hardy to zone
Maypop.
6? Yes. Brooke, you get a pot. What plant stress response leads to causing red or purple leaf coloration?
Highlight.
Yes. Dan, you also get a pot. What is the common name for Zamioculcas?
ZZ plant.
Yes. Dan, you get some soil. Why must variegated monsteras be propagated vegetatively to maintain variegation?
Because it's a mutation, so it wouldn't pass on to the seeds.
Yeah. Seed propagation will not preserve the chimera pattern and will not have stable variegation. So, Brooke, you get some soil. Where is the holy basil plant from, and why is it
India.
considered? And
Because
why?
it's sacred.
And why is it considered sacred?
Because it's used as a ritual tea offering.
Yeah. Yeah. The elixir of life. Many medicinal benefits, including stress relief, promoting mental clarity, and treating respiratory issues. Dan, you get a plant. Okay, Dan is at 5, Brooke is at 4. You need 6 to win. Describe the foliage of Logee's exclusive begonia, Joy's Jubilee.
Green with pink speckles.
No.
Purple, white, and pink.
Yes. Purple, white, and pink. All right, Brooke. You get a ZZ plant. Oh man, this is 5 to 5. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. What is the scientific name for the chainsa-flori and when does it bloom?
Clerodendron smithianum, and it's blooming currently, so it's March. Spring, early spring.
Yep. Woo! Yeah, Dan! You got it right! He's the winner! Okay, so now that you're the winner, you can pot up your plant. Brooke, I'm so sorry. That's it for you. End of the road.
And then you give it a good drink.
All right. Trivia at Logee's. Tune in next time.
Dan, how does it feel after a big win?
It feels pretty great because I love the ZZ plant and I'm excited to grow this at home.